Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your WEBTOON password? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want to make sure that you understand that you can do this both on your Android or your iOS devices. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your App Store on your iOS or Play Store on your Android and search for WEBTOON and make sure you've downloaded and installed it correctly. Once you've downloaded and installed this application, you can simply go ahead and tap on open and you're going to be taken to this page right over here. Now, in order for you to go ahead and reset your password, tap on continue with email and simply go ahead and tap on the forget password tab that is right above this eye icon right over here, as you can see. So simply tap on that and now it's going to ask you for your email address. Once you go ahead and enter your email address, they'll send you a URL to reset your password on your email. So simply go ahead and reset it through your email. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see